friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Sweethearts candies. Yes, it is another video that is going to be hashtag makeup tutorial, but also mostly I'm just putting together a look, thought I should film it, thought you might enjoy it. Because what are we going to do this year? Do more makeup, because it's fun, and I'm really enjoying it. In fact, I did this really intense look last week, transforming myself into Vision from WandaVision, but I did not have time to film it, and I also want to kind of like do that one really well, a little bit better than my original kind of attempt. So I literally did this look in 30 minutes, and I think it turned out pretty good, but I would love to do like a more, intense one, maybe make some pieces out of silver, I don't know. Hopefully I'll be doing that in the future, just so you know. This is kind of more of a fun, artsy, kind of look. I think I'm really just gonna kind of paint giant sweethearts. There are sweethearts and then there's sweet tarts, and I think the tarts are tart. Is that right? We're just gonna have fun and be inspired by that, and I thought you might want to see. So that's what we're doing today. I also need to point out that this is my new camera setup. I don't know if I'm looking just amazing. I can't really tell when I look in the monitor. Well, you can tell that I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm going to be covering my face in makeup, so it's not the best look I ever had. I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm really excited about this camera, and I can also talk about that too, and kind of what I got and how I updated things if you guys are interested in a different video. If so, let me know down below. But otherwise, let's just go ahead and jump on into this. If you're new here, hello, my name is Kaz, aka the Queen of Glitter, and if you're into Disney, cosplay, makeup, anything just fun and colorful, fashion, thrifting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new content from me, and I would love to have you here. Okay, so I went ahead and I grabbed everything that I think I'm gonna need. This is gonna be a mix of like regular makeup, then also a little bit of face paint to kind of create the individual hearts. So first thing I'm gonna do is put these bangs back and look insane. Cat, unicorn, or bunny? This is it. This is a look. You can see how bad my roots are getting too, but I'm gonna get that fixed real soon. So I'm just gonna start with a little bit of primer. I can't believe I'm showing this with my hand like this. Like I'm a YouTuber. Look at that autofocus. This is fancy. This is a fancy camera. Okay. This is very exciting. I'm excited by this. Next, a little Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 115 Ivory. There actually is a shade lighter than this ivory. I think it's called like Classic Ivory or something. More ivory. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set everything with the Stay Matte powder. I know a lot of people like to do their eye makeup and stuff first before they put on foundation, but this is just what I always do, and I'm unwilling to change. This color is probably, honestly, slightly too dark for me right now because I've literally been only inside of my room like a vampire, day in and out. I have not seen sunshine in a minute. Now, I guess I'm gonna do just a little bit of an eye color. I'm not going to contour my face because I just really don't care that much. Also, I feel like every time I attempt to contour my face, I just end up looking completely ridiculous. This is my Urban Decay primer potion, the shiny mode. I don't know what happened to the label. I guess it washed off or something. I have like a really exciting palette coming that's all rainbow, but it's not here yet. So for now, I am just gonna use my usual Amazon colors palette, which honestly has like literally lasted me years and always been super helpful, so I'm not complaining. And it's pretty highly pigmented too, which is good because a lot of the time I want crazy colors on my face. So my thought is kind of to just go with pinks, even though the candy hearts will kind of be all the traditional candy hearts colors. So I'm just gonna do like a very candy pink eye. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of purple. This is actually looking very similar to my Sugar Plum Fairy look at the moment. Okay, I'm just gonna start with that because I will add more detail, but I kind of wanted to just kind of jump in to some of these hearts because I think it's gonna help me figure out what exactly it is I want to do with the rest of the makeup. So I want to focus on pastel colors. So I have my giant AF guy right here, which is gonna be great. I am using an actual paintbrush at the moment. I can't find my handy dandy face paintbrush, but when in Rome. Now I'm just gonna pull this down so I can do kind of them all over my shoulders. That's my concept. My guess is that most of these will probably need 2 coats, but I really like working with face paint because it's so easy to wash off. 1 heart down, a bunch more to go. I'm really wanting to do them at different angles and stuff so it doesn't look like it's all, you know, just going the exact same direction. That, of course, makes it much more difficult when I'm trying to do this at an angle. We are definitely getting there. Let's add another color. I think a nice pastel blue would be really cute. Now, if you don't have pastel colors naturally, you can always just use a darker tone of face paint and mix it in with white face paint. I used to do this a lot when I was face painting kids, and they'd ask for very specific things, specific colors that I didn't have. So I'll usually take a bunch of white first, put it on a mixing plate, and then take a little bit of that brighter color that I'm trying to mix into it, and kind of just very slowly add it in till I get to the color that I'm looking for. I really hope you can't hear the cricket that's definitely somewhere in my room, because I hear the cricket that's in my room. Jiminy! How these crickets get into my room, I do not know. Okay, so I really like the look of the green, and I do think I'm gonna add a yellow just to kind of round it all out. And then I feel like we have all of the classic colors of the candy hearts. Whew, this is challenging my wrist. Okay, now we have our hearts. Let's go ahead and add some details using some black eyeliner. So now it's time to decide what I'm gonna write on each individual sweetheart, and in order to do that, I have procured sweethearts. The real trick is opening this without losing one of my fake nails. So I figure I'll just pull one out, and then that'll be one of the hearts. It's like a fun game that we will play. What do you think that said? What do these taste like? Oh my god. This method is not going to work if these all have messed up sayings. What is this? Where's the quality control? This one is literally blank. Like, what is this? Oh, it says 100% years? Yours. I think it's supposed to say focus. 100% yours. I think that's what it's supposed to say. But, oh my god, there's my ugly nail. It's very messed up. I guess we'll go with it because it's relatively legible. I guess this is technically supposed to be written in red, but I just don't really think that would be very cute, so. I think it does need an outline though. Is it my best work? No. Let's pull another heart. That's not even... What is this? Is this a tail of a whale? This says... Oh, this is cute. My hero. Not centered, but at least this one's legible. So we'll do that on one of our purple hearts. The angle of this is about to get very difficult to write. Oh man, I'm not talented enough for this. Okay, so you can kind of see... It works a little bit better when it's at this angle to make it look more 3D-ish. I think it looks cool. Yeah, that'll do for the moment. Okay, let's just pick a bunch right now, and then I'll just very quickly do all these so that we can fast forward to the next step, because I think you get the idea. Blank, blank, unreadable? I believe this says Summer Lovin', Love Shack. Okay, so these are terrible and unreadable, so I'm just gonna go to the internet to choose the rest of these. So let's just very quickly do... Maybe I'll snap my fingers and they'll all be done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did that work? I hope that worked. Well, now I have all my hearts, as you can see. Some were easier to write, some were more difficult. I'm looking at you, guy right here in the corner. But I am now ready to move on to the next step. So I think I want to do like really cute pink kind of like freckles, maybe like little heart freckles, and then do some eyeliner, and then maybe a glitter lip. I don't know, something crazy, or maybe a pastel lip. I'm not sure yet. Probably glitter. Let's just go ahead and do some finishing touches here to really bring this whole look together. So I'm gonna start by using my little baby pink blush here and just going all over kind of my freckle area. Okay, now I think it'd be cute to do little pink freckles, so I'm gonna use this pink face paint that I have. It says like literally all over the place. And whenever I do freckles, I like to take the back of my paintbrush and put it in there so I get more of a perfect circle. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. There were literally years that I did not wear any eyeliner. I used to be really into like wearing eyeliner every day in high school, and then in college it just stopped. So full disclosure, my battery did die while I was doing my eyeliner, but we back. I just sat here, chilled, took a minute for myself. Welcome to the close-up shot. But next I'm gonna do lips, so I'm just gonna put on a smidge of chapstick. And I am gonna do a glitter lip, so I'm gonna get my glue. Hello, good morning. One of my lipstick glues, I have used different ones in the past. This is just one that I got on Amazon. So basically what I do is I coat my lips in it first, and then I'm gonna take my little Safe for Makeup Use glitter. I'm feeling this one, which is kind of like a more pinky purple. It's a little hard to see. If you can see, it's more like this pinky purple glitter, which is really cute. So let's go with that, because I think it's going to match the eyes nicely. So I'm just going to first do my lips. And I do like to do glitter lips, like bottom lip and then top lip. And then just tap. So you can see already, this is where we're at. I feel like you're so far away. I'm pulling you closer. There we go. And here are the finished lips. Okay, I think we're really almost completely done. I just want to do some fake eyelashes, and then maybe like a little bit of highlight. And then I think that you're good to go and get some pictures taken. I'll be using my Ardell Wispies, which are my favorite to wear. I just feel like they look the best, and least like completely insane, while also giving you the voluminous eyelashes that you need. Okay, that's one on. Okay, eyelashes are on, and now just a dash of a little highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. Okay, so this is our pretty much finished look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair and take some pictures, and we're gonna see what the final look kind of all stylized turned out as. And we are done. Photos are taken. Honestly, I think this turned out really fun. It definitely, I think it looks like the vision that I had in my head. Obviously, it was much more difficult to like write on my body at different angles than I first would have imagined, because I didn't really think about that. But in the end, I think it turned out good. So, hey, everything is just a baby step, you know? And hopefully, like I said before, by the end of this year, I'm going to be really good at this kind of stuff. So I'm glad that I did it. I'm glad I filmed it. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited about my new camera. I feel so professional and it's very, very exciting. I feel like it's a great way to start off this year. This is gonna be the year. I'm putting it out to the universe. Here we go. But I hope that you guys had a great Valentine's Day. I certainly hope that I have a great Valentine's Day. And that's about it for this video. So as always, you can follow me on Instagram at Kaz the Queen of Glitter, on TikTok at the Queen of Glitter, and right here you can subscribe on YouTube to the Queen of Glitter. But that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, but until then, stay sparkly. Bye-bye!